Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of SYFD259. Today we have a 2000 Ford F250 Super Duty, 5.4 liter under the hood, excuse me, West Coast truck, 142,000 miles. Let's go ahead and fire this girl up. Oh, you guys don't want to see that. $142,000 mile, 5.4. Runs great, extended cab, cloth interior. That door don't want to open. An absolute unit though. There we go, 5.4 under the hood. Sounds good. I bet you it needs a tune-up. When we pull it out, we'll check the plugs and the compression. We'll give her a fresh tune-up. Here's the damage. She blew a ball joint, ran into a fan. Blew a ball joint and ended up at the insurance auction. Paint's seen better days, but it's rust free, folks. That's what really matters. Look at that. All right, let's step inside, test out some parts. Oh no. Gotta get that passenger mirror back over here. Boom. All right. Well, we know the AC works. Power windows are both working. Door mirrors, driver's side. Passenger side. Five 4 runs, man. She definitely needs herself a tune-up. Let's go ahead and check the air conditioning out. AC unit works great. All right, guys. Well, that is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of our 2000 Ford F250 Super Duty. You guys know the gig here. If you're looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching. Remember, Bitcoin saves lives, Jesus saves your soul.